Photoelectric detector is activated when smoke particles obstruct the light. It consists of a light-emitting diode mounted on one side of the device and a photodiode fitted on the other side. When smoke enters the device, it scatters light from the light-emitting diode onto the photodiode. This causes a fluctuation in voltage. This fluctuation in voltage interrupts the light beam and activates the alarm. An ionization smoke detector circuit consists of two ionized chambers. They are closed chamber and open chamber. Closed chamber is sealed and open chamber is perforated. A voltage of 220 volts DC is supplied between them. The supply voltage across two chambers is divided. A connection is taken to a cold cathode tube. The atmosphere in both the chambers is ionized by radioactive material such as radium. Under normal conditions, movement of ions results in the flow of a small current.